welcome back to Moonstone Crafts. Today I'm here with the unboxing of Stickii Club, the sticker subscription. This is for July, I think. This is the first one on my channel, but I've been subscribed to Stickii since last year August, so almost a year. But I got it in today. Sometimes it's gone faster than the other times, but here it is. So let's check it out together. So it is a monthly subscription to stickers, and they have 3 different packs. Let me turn that around. I got the pop pack. They have a cute pack and also a retro pack. Most of the times I switch between months, because you can do that easily on their website. Let me get this open. But I mostly switch between pop and retro. I think I only got cute once, and that was the second pack that I ever got. So let me just get it out. I'm just gonna check the envelope to see if there's nothing loose in there. Nope. Can get rid of that. So here it is. It comes always in this nice A5 folder that you can put into a holder. I'm gonna make a video of my birthday haul. I'm gonna show you where I'm keeping these in, because I got some new ones for my birthday. So that's exciting. The theme for this month for the pop pack is Elemental. So the first thing you get is these stickers that you can use in your holder with the theme. You get 2 of them, so you can put it down in the bottom corner. This time we have a little clip as well. They don't always include this anymore. Let me put it on my hand. It's oh god, there we go. It's a flame, so that's cool. I like that. I like these little clips. I don't use them often, but sometimes I use them for my bullet journal. And these stickers I use mostly for my bullet journal. Let me just see. This is sticky notes, I think. They include sticky notes almost always, or they have a little book that you can write in. But let me just see. Yes, these are sticky notes. There we go. A girl in the water, I think that's it. Art by Epao. So at Epao. I will link her Instagram in the description, so look out for that. And then we have some sticker flakes, I think. They don't always come with sticker flakes anymore. Just put this aside. But this time they are, so they have everything in this one. Let me just see. Maybe I'll just zoom you guys in. I think that's easier. Oh, that's out. There we go. We have that one. We have a little rock. I don't know what this is. Just like a tree stuff, I think. It's just some elemental things. They're paper structure. They're mostly rocks. So I can definitely use this in a bullet journal theme easily. You don't even have to have that much of a theme really to use these. Oh, this is a wide one. That's interesting. Big one. And that one. Let me zoom you out. Oh, always. Just a little bit. Because now we come to the nice part, which is... Oh, let me just get them out so that they don't show you right away. because I don't want you guys to see it right away. Let's go. This is the sticker sheets. First one is from an artist, I guess. Let me just check the artist. Ashiya Art. I will link her details. There's even, she has so many things. She has Twitter, YouTube even. So I'll see if I can find everything and link it in the description. Let me just, this is pretty hard to do, you know. There we go. So this is just cute art. Girls, I wish this artist would make some diamond painting. She has very good art. I like it. Yeah, it could definitely be cool. So go check her out. She must have had other cool stuff. Okay, next one. We're gonna use the back of another one. So you can see it easily. Look, they're silver. They're see-through. That's why I use in the back of another one. And they're like flowers, maybe even dandelions. I'm not the biggest fan of silver in my stickers or in my bullet journal. I love using gold. Silver is not really my style. But I think these look great. And they're really nice. Really shiny. So that's the next one. Let's turn the one over that I was using. It's a surprise for me too. Ooh, what is this? Sorry guys, I'm just having trouble to get it into shot right, at the right angle. There we go. It's like teardrops. Just have to check it out. This is also by art by Apao. So they have more art in this one than any other pack I ever got before. I don't know when I would use this. This is very abstract as well, you know, so I don't know, but looks good. Looks good. So definitely cool to see that Stickii is getting more and more artists involved in their packages. Next up is, ooh, skies. That is pretty adorable. Look at that. There's just round stickers with skies. You can use that so much. Those are easy to use. I like these. I like these a lot. These are cute. Next up. What is this? It's Phoenix. All kind of Phoenix. I mean, it's elements, so they had to have something with fire, but this is gorgeous. I really enjoyed that I got this pack. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. It's a total different color from the rest of them. That's just more green and blues. So, interesting, interesting. Before I go to the last one, I mean, this is the second to last one, I'll use the background of this one for these, because these are kind of, you can see them, but I like to have a back on them so you can see them better. It's kind of like just white stones, I think they have to be. That you have to see them as. They're just stones. They're raised as well, so they're higher up. They're like a little bit embossed. Not too much. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see that. But yeah, I'm trying to show you, but I don't think you can. It's not as embossed as I had them before from Stickii, so I'm not sure how I would use these. They're cute and all on this sticker sheet, but I'm not sure how they're gonna look when you have them somewhere, sprinkled somewhere, just by themselves. So yeah, that will be interesting to see. And last but not least, ta-da-da-da-da-da, washi strips. I love when they include those. They're fun little ones. They're not too big. Oh, let me get this straight. Oh, sorry guys, this is hard. There we go. They're like marmor kind of stuff. It's not my favorite washies. So I'm happy that it's not a whole roll of washi tape. It's just these little ones. But I like that they have different sizes in this one as well. They feel real nice. They do. So yeah. We have all these sticker sheets. Let me get you out a bit. All these nice sticker sheets. I will link the artists, as I said, in the subscriptions. Go check them out because they are really talented. And my sticky flakes. So this is all we got this month. They publish a sneak peek at the end of every month. I will of course leave a link to if you want to get subscribed. It will be a referral link, so see if you want to use that or just go look for it yourself. That's also great. So I hope you enjoyed this little bit of an enveloping instead of a unboxing, I guess. I'm gonna do this every month now, of course, so you can see what's in it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and bye.